Hey guys, Kendall here. Thank you for stopping by. And today I'm going to be talking about something that I found really special, and I think that you'll find it something that will be very important to you as well. Before that, click the link below, and I'm going to be giving you some special bonuses as well. Now let's jump into the demo.
AI White Labels is a comprehensive platform that offers a suite of AI tools designed to empower entrepreneurs and businesses. This product enables users to launch their own AI-powered applications without needing extensive technical skills. With features like automated content creation, chatbots, and image generation, AI White Labels caters to various business needs. Users can easily customize and brand their applications, allowing for a personalized touch in their offerings. The platform also provides tutorials and support to ensure a smooth user experience. By leveraging AI technology, businesses can enhance their services and improve efficiency. The subscription model offers flexibility and scalability for users of all sizes. Overall, AI White Labels is a robust solution for those looking to integrate AI into their business offerings seamlessly.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that very helpful. Thank you again. Don't forget to click the link below for the special bonuses, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.